Okay, we are in one of the rooms. This is the windows reel that we have to clean. In this house is not only the dirt and the grime, but also pet hair. This window has this edge that has the pet baked inside. So Pedro is also working in this window, and we are using a degreaser for the bottom part and a vapor steamer. Which is the order how I clean the window. The first step is dust, and then with a microfiber cloth clean all the sizes of the vertical blinds. Why I don't clean the window first? If I clean the window first and then the blinds, I'm gonna dust and maybe wet the windows. All the dust, all the grime from the blinds is gonna touch the windows. It's not worth it. So the first step, remember, is to dust all the surface and then wipe all the vertical blinds. Okay, how we're gonna remove the tape? Just spread some product and use a blade in an angle of 45 angle. The window needs to be wet. It works better, the blade. You need to do it carefully in a 45 angle, and don't do back and forth. Every time you go up and you lift the blade and you go again up like this. Exactly. Don't do back and forth because you're gonna ruin or scratch the glass. This is the easy way to remove the tape. You can also use alcohol or some WD-40 with a magic eraser, but I think that this procedure is much better. I'm using to remove the mineral deposits. Has been working in this area. Bio Cleaner. It's a citrus multi-surface paste like this. You can use a magic eraser or a sponge. And with the paste, you start working on the area that you want to clean. Just gonna work half so we can see the difference between one side and the other one. It's not toxic, so it's really good. So far, let's see if you can. Is doing the transfer. You see, I'm gonna change my cloth. I have more towel. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. job. Okay, right there. It already passed 5 minutes. Second time. You can see the red that is doing the transfer to the towel. Did you see? That's the purpose of this procedure. Transfer the stain into the towel. Let's see. Oh, look. Excellent. There is another stain here. Let's see. When you know that you're gonna finish the procedure, when there is no more transferring to the towel, that's when you stop. Let's see. I can see a little bit. Let's go to the other room. Okay, let's do this stain. Soak it up. Let's put a dry white towel and let's wait. Okay, let's see. You can see right away the stain. Oh, awesome. Good. Where is it? Really good transfer. Excellent transfer.